Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Fidelity DRIP, a powerful investment strategy that can help you build wealth over time. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and it allows you to automatically reinvest dividends from your investments into additional shares of the same stock. To get started with Fidelity DRIP, you need to have a Fidelity brokerage account and own dividend-paying stocks. You can enroll in the DRIP program online or by contacting Fidelity customer service. Once you are enrolled, Fidelity will automatically reinvest dividends from your eligible stocks into additional shares of the same stock. One of the key benefits of Fidelity DRIP is that it allows you to take advantage of dollar cost averaging, which can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. By reinvesting dividends at regular intervals, you can accumulate more shares over time, regardless of the market's performance. For example, let's say you own 100 shares of a stock that pays a quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share. If you are enrolled in the DRIP program, Fidelity will automatically reinvest the $50 in dividend payments into additional shares of the same stock over time. This can help you accumulate more shares and increase your ownership stake in the company. To make the most of Fidelity DRIP, it's essential to understand the fees associated with the program. Fidelity does not charge any fees for participating in the DRIP program, but you may be subject to commission fees when buying or selling stocks. You can minimize these fees by enrolling in Fidelity's commission-free trading program or by investing in Fidelity's index funds or ETFs. In addition to understanding the fees, it's also important to have a long-term perspective when using Fidelity DRIP. The power of compounding can help your investments grow significantly over time, but it requires patience and discipline. By consistently reinvesting dividends and avoiding frequent buy and sell transactions, you can maximize the benefits of the DRIP program and achieve your long-term investment goals. Best practices for using Fidelity DRIP include starting early, being consistent, and having a well-diversified portfolio. By enrolling in the DRIP program and following these best practices, you can create a powerful investment strategy that can help you build wealth over time. With Fidelity DRIP, you can take advantage of the benefits of dividend investing and make progress towards your financial goals.